Got a game idea stuck in your head? VIVERSE helps you bring it to life and share it with the world faster, smarter, and with fewer roadblocks. Creating a city sim? Use AI models like GPT-4, Claude, or Code Llama to generate core systems, zoning, traffic, and resource flow. Then bring it together in Unity and fine-tune as needed. Perhaps you're building an RPG or platformer. Get started in your game engine of choice and use AI to expand your characters, quests, or dialogue. AI development workflows are flexible. Use an AI prompt-based workflow or an MCP connection to your favorite visual game editor to expand your ideas quickly. Choose what fits your style best and build from there. When it's ready, publish directly with the VIVERSE CLI. Manage, build, deploy updates, and go live from your terminal. Or use VIVERSE Studio. Just upload, test, and publish with a few clicks. No code needed. These aren't just AI projects. They're your games, built by you, launched on VIVERSE, and ready to share with friends across the world. Start building and sharing today at create.viverse.com.